Ever found yourself trapped by Zillow's persistent press and hold Captcha, blocking your dream home search? This frustrating challenge often reappears, consuming valuable time and making site access a real headache, especially when you're in a hurry. Today, we'll walk through a couple of simple strategies that can help you circumvent this recurring hurdle, getting you back to browsing properties faster. First, explore your web browser's built-in accessibility settings. Many browsers offer features designed to assist with continuous or precise mouse interactions. Look for options related to mouse control or click assistance that can make maintaining a prolonged press significantly easier and more reliable than a manual hold. Alternatively, consider a browser extension. Navigate to your browser's extension store and search for tools that specialize in automating repetitive actions or enhancing mouse control. These types of extensions can often provide a consistent, hands-free way to simulate the necessary press and hold duration, effectively bypassing the manual effort. Once you've enabled an accessibility feature or installed a suitable extension, return to Zillow and activate it when the Captcha appears. You'll find that what was once a tricky manual interaction now becomes a smooth, consistent process, quickly unlocking your access to Zillow's features. With these straightforward approaches, you can minimize frustrating interruptions and get back to your property search with ease. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more tech tips.